Alright, we just got loaded up. About 1.5 inches. 7.5 tons. Alright, we're covered up. Ready to go. Should be coming up on our address. Just getting this load 1.5 inches. Park the truck on the side of the road, talk to the customer, find out what we're going to do with it. Alright, talk to the customer, take it down the driveway, get it ready to spread. Back area. Right here, he has an erosion problem. It's not real bad, but he's wanting to fill it in with all this 1.5 inches. Working our way into position now. Here I'm working on getting the tailgate set up so it'll only open up a little bit. Get ready to spread this rock up this driveway. I've got it set up, it'll open up a few inches. Just kind of raise it out and get ready to spread it out. Alright, I'm asking the customer to stop me back there, a little further back from where he stopped me the first time. Now, little did I realize, moving back to where I'm at, what I was fixing to get myself into. I'm ready to spread. Open the tailgate. This is not how it works. Something's wrong. And there it is. Dropped off and part of his washout. Ground's wet. So I rock it back and forth a little bit, trying to gain traction. Turn a little bit to the right to get out of that rut. Get out of there without dumping too much more rock. But finally I am able to get it to turn to the right enough to get traction, crawl up out of there above where the washout is. So bottom line is, if you're unable to pull it uphill, get up in front of it and back down through it, downhill. fault I had this problem. Didn't think I would have this kind of a problem since I was on this dry operation. Had I been in the yard, had it been totally different.
Yeah.
You can get one at a time. Well, the new one hit mine. Oh, it's my rim.
Well, got that load spread without tearing this driveway up too bad. Wasn't quite expecting that. So, can't get it out, spread it one direction, turn around, spread it the other. He's happy. That's what's important. We're done for the day. Thanks for watching.